Hi guys, it's Laura, and this time we are creating aesthetic journal which is going to be just made for aesthetic pictures, quotes, my poems and stuff that inspire me. And for this video we are basically only making a cover page and a little page that is going to be having like a little description of what this notebook is going to be all about. This is my Monet notebook that I got from a local store, and as you can see I am just putting together photos and also my stickers. For example, this teapot is my sticker that is available in my shop, and I brought together also pretty pictures such as the one from Paris and the Eiffel Tower. Paris really inspires me as a city, so it had to be there. And I added some of my new stickers that I'm very proud of, and they are basically only like tags, fillers, stuff that you can actually write something at, and that's why it's very special for me. And I am adding new washi tapes from AliExpress. They're really great for this because I love the color palette. As you can see, this notebook is basically going to have very calmed down tones, nude tones, and I recently discovered that this is actually my aesthetic. This is what I like. This is what I want to be doing. So that's why I decided to have this color scheme, and I don't know, it makes me happy. What made me start this notebook is, of course, my huge love for aesthetic photos and everything that, pleases the eye. But also, I wanted to have a notebook that is going to be like my escape place where I don't have to like pre-plan or think about anything, for example, like I do it in my planner thingy. I just need to come here, put up some words, put up my poetry, think of how the pretty pictures would look together, write whatever I actually want. So this is like my escape notebook. It's going to make me happy, and generally I love looking at Pinterest photos, so it's natural for me to, have this kind of thing in a physical way, not just on Pinterest. As I'm talking through this, basically I almost made like a cover page, and I mean there is no need for a special explanation here. I just put everything together, and this is, for example, a little mushroom thing is my sticker. I made this, and the mushroom is actually a real photo. I didn't draw it, and it was like my great idea to put together like my drawings and what I create with Procreate, but also my real photos, stuff that I have that I took, and then put it together to be a sticker. Moving on to another page, this one is going to have a date that I started to do this, and it's going to be having a little description of what this spread is all about, and also my name on it, and some quotes that are going to be the beginning of this. They're going to be very general and basically all about this notebook. I think that the stars that I'm putting here are actually a pretty great touch there. It is making my notebook seem like a collage, and they add a special surreal vibe, which is actually what I'm all about. I don't know about you, but for me there is just something so special about watching aesthetic photos and just photos that inspire me, maybe like pictures of places that I've never been to but I would like to visit them, and those photos make me feel happy and like I am in a good place. And whenever I'm watching those photos, I can really feel calm. And actually, Pinterest is a great place to find those photos and find inspiration, but also Tumblr. I don't know how many of you are still using it, but I love Tumblr, and the pictures there can be really cool. So those pictures and sites like that really inspire me, and they make me, be inspired for writing, for creating, for drawing. They just motivate me so much. I also love to write poetry, not just read it. And this notebook is going to be my little collection of poems that I wrote before. Even though I do have a special notebook for my poems, I could show you that if you are interested in, just please write that you are in the comments. But this could be like putting together my art and my poetry, but also, as I said before, pretty pictures, and just make it cohesive. And for the end, I added a final quote: "Where to miss the stars." And notebook is finished, and I'm really proud of how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!